The legend has returned, tougher, smarter, and faster than ever. The all-new 2025 Kawasaki KX 450 has dropped, and it's redefining what domination looks like on the motocross track. In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about Kawasaki's newest dirt weapon, from engine to electronics, suspension to styling. Buckle up, dirt lovers, this one's a monster. A legacy of dominance. Before we dive into the 2025 model, let's pay respect to a name that has ruled tracks for decades. The KX 450 has been the choice of champions since its debut. Built for racers, by racers, this machine has pushed the limits of motocross technology, helping Kawasaki riders dominate supercross and motocross championships globally. What's new for 2025? So what's new in the 2025 KX 450? In one word, everything. Kawasaki has redesigned this machine from the ground up, building on rider feedback and cutting-edge engineering. We're talking a brand new chassis, enhanced engine tuning, upgraded suspension, modernized electronics, and yes, a leaner, meaner design. Engine performance. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the 449 cubic centimeters 4-stroke, single-cylinder engine. While it retains the DOHC setup from previous years, the 2025 version comes with improved airflow, a new intake design, and refined fuel mapping. The result? Smoother throttle response, more usable torque across the rev range, and a noticeable bump in top-end power. Whether you're launching off the line or powering through deep sand, this engine delivers confidence and consistency. Frame and chassis. Kawasaki didn't stop at the engine. The 2025 KX 450 features a newly engineered aluminum perimeter frame, stiffer in key areas, yet lighter overall. This not only improves straight-line stability, but also enhances cornering precision. The frame geometry has been revised for optimal rider ergonomics, making it easier to shift body weight and attack tight turns. Suspension and handling. Handling is where champions are made, and the 2025 KX 450 delivers. Showa 49mm coil spring front forks with A-kit technology offer outstanding adjustability and bottoming resistance. The Unitrack rear suspension has also been fine-tuned for better traction and comfort. Whether you're blitzing whoops or landing monster jumps, the suspension keeps the ride planted and predictable. Brakes and tires. Power means nothing if you can't stop, and Kawasaki knows it. The 2025 KX 450 comes with upgraded Nissan brakes, including a large 270mm front rotor and a 250mm rear disc for solid stopping power. Paired with Dunlop MX-33 tires, you get maximum grip and confidence under pressure. Electronics and ride modes. Here's where it gets high-tech. The 2025 KX 450 introduces Kawasaki's all-new ride management system. With 3 selectable engine maps, adjustable traction control, and launch control, riders can tailor performance on the fly. There's also smartphone connectivity via the Radiology app, letting you fine-tune engine characteristics, log ride data, and share setups with your crew. Riding ergonomics. Ergonomics can make or break your race, and Kawasaki has nailed it again. The 2025 KX 450 features adjustable handlebar and foot peg positions, a slimmer seat, and a narrower fuel tank design. This means better grip, better control, and a bike that feels like an extension of your body. Design and aesthetics. Let's talk looks. The 2025 KX 450 gets a fresh, aggressive design. Sleek, minimal bodywork with sharp lines, new graphics, and updated radiator shrouds make it look as fast as it feels. That iconic lime green. Still there, but with modern flair. This is one good-looking machine. Kawasaki Race Team Influence. This isn't just a showroom bike, it's a race-bred machine. Kawasaki's factory MX and SX teams played a key role in the development of the 2025 KX 450. Every tweak, every feature, every upgrade was tested and tuned by the pros. The result? A bike that's ready to win, straight out of the crate. Maintenance and durability. Race bikes take a beating, and Kawasaki knows durability matters. The 2025 KX 450 is built with easy maintenance in mind. Toolless air filter access, quick-swap body panels, durable chainouities, and reinforced components make it track-ready and trail-tough. Price and availability. So what's the damage? The 2025 Kawasaki KX 450 is priced competitively at around $10,699 US. It's already hitting showrooms in select regions, and pre-orders are open worldwide. For what you're getting, pure race DNA in a modern package, this is a steal. Who should buy? Whether you're a seasoned racer chasing championships or a weekend warrior looking to upgrade your ride, the 2025 KX 450 delivers pro-level performance with real-world usability. It's built for serious riders, but friendly enough for ambitious amateurs ready to step up their game. Final verdict. In a world of constant evolution, the 2025 Kawasaki KX 450 stands tall. It's not just a dirt bike, it's a purpose-built machine engineered for domination. From raw power to precision control, from tech upgrades to timeless design, this is Kawasaki's boldest move yet. If you're ready to win, the KX 450 is ready to take you there. So, what do you think of the new KX 450? Are you ready to throw a leg over this green beast? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more dirt bike reviews, news, and race content every week. Until next time, ride hard, ride safe, and keep it green.